is already good, but we need a new pick for tomorrow. Alright, so you remember seeing exactly what everybody else did? Okay, good, because I want you to forget, alright? All I want you to do is do exactly what Tyler does, okay? So, if she moves her hips to the left, where are you going?
Helen, when you get this message, call
There we go. And if she moves her hips to the right, where are you
He's gonna
going?
meet you to
Alright, and then she turns around and jumps it down low, where are you going? Jump it low, jump it low, jump it low. Whoa, alright. Jumper, Cupid.
So I'll just be like in the front area. Yeah.
Clap along, ladies and gentlemen.